9341 Jumpin Juniper. This is fake grass, which is good. Definitely needs a yard cleanup though, just to deal with the weeds. Tile at the entry. The dogs are in the garage. I couldn't get these lights to turn on. The walls are really close to the color that we like. It's in light tannish, biscotti color. We have 2.5 inch forward blinds, upgraded light fixtures, maybe just some areas for touch-up. Flooring, from what I see, looks good. The walls are a little darker in here. I don't know where any light switches are, but cabinets have been painted. They look pretty good. Those are the counters, undermount sink, the correct blinds. Those are nice things to have in place already. So we have concrete all the way across, some rock on the far end. I get a one-time cleanup. There's a little area here, which may have been grass at one point, because there's no rocks on the inside. There are rocks on the outside. Okay. Accent wall here. There's a light. Okay. Granite, undermount sink, beautifully painted cabinets, 2.5 inch blinds, upgraded light fixture. We have a lot of great elements. Storage. Let's head upstairs. Picture windows have tint on it. Upgraded light fixture. Touch up all areas like that. Maybe a repaint, just because of all the marks. That's a Jenny call on whether it's close enough for a touch-up, or might as well just repaint it. If there's too much touch-up, it looks like there's a lot of areas for touch-up upstairs. 3-prong. Tile. Maybe repair that little transition there. More storage. Nice big room. I don't know why these lights aren't working. Ah, there we go. Okay. 2.5 inch blinds. Carpet just needs a good cleanup. Looks okay otherwise. Paint looks okay in this room. And lots of closet space. Well, you can see like little marks and things. Just pointing it out because we'll have to see what Jenny says. Flat panel, closet doors. Paint looks good overall. Upgraded light fixture, fan with a light kit. It's a nice plus. They're little nail holes. I see the blinds behind. Carpet looks good. Walls are minty. This is gray. Closet is white. This wall's blue. Mint. Okay, I'm not going to break anything. Granite, undermount sinks, upgraded faucets. I'm not sure what's going on with this guy. No grout needed for this tub, that's nice. Tile looks good.